and Booettes. Welcome to my channel. I am makeup artist Charlie Allen. We're going to go ahead and jump straight into this video. This is an easy guys, everyday 5-minute brow tutorial. First, you want to brush through your client's brows. Follow up with some clear brow gel to create a tacky base for the brow pencil to stick to. It's going to help create a waterproof brow for you. Apply brow pencil to sparse areas and fill in to your liking. You can go as thick or as thin as you like. Next, use a thinner brow pencil to create small hair-like strokes at the beginning of your eyebrows. Remember that all brows are lighter in the front and heavier as you fade out. Make sure you use a light hand when applying the front part of your brow. Be sure to brush out any excess product. Next, it's time to outline your brows with your choice of concealer. Warm product on the back of your hand and coat concealer brush evenly on both sides. Okay, here is where you're going to want to start at the base of your brow and outline the entire circumference of your brows to the shape that you desire. So if you want a higher arch, go higher up. Next, you're going to want to blend out the concealer into your skin evenly. This is the last but most important part. It is important to blend out all of the concealer, guys. Blend it all in. The last thing you want to do is have that boxy look to your eyebrows or that halo look around your brows. We don't want to go around looking like we saying huh all day, right? Make sure you blend out the beginning part of the eyebrow too, so that way it has a softer look. Continue to blend. And then voila, easy peasy, everyday less than 4-minute brow. Love, peace, and hair grease. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.